How to add end credits on iMovie. In this video, I'll show you how to add end credits in iMovie, the perfect way to give credit or a final message at the end of your video. Let's jump right in. First, remember that this iMovie app is not available for Android device, so on your iOS device, click on search bar and open iMovie. Now click on the project that you want to add credits to. After that, click on the Titles tab. Here you will find a variety of text styles you can use. Look for scrolling credits or centered and drag it to end it on your timeline. Now double click the text and enter your credits. You can include names, rules, thank you message, whatever you like. Now you can adjust the font size or position of the text to match your video style. And that's it. Now you have got clean professional looking end credits on your iMovie project. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.